Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So it's 1st of December, so we can open one day on our advent calendar. This is my crafty advent calendar. It is actually a children's craft advent calendar that I did get from Amazon. I have got an unboxing on it earlier in November, so if you would like to check that out. But yeah, I thought you'd like to have a look at this with me, so we'll just open her up and see where number 1 is and see what we've got. Let me know what you've got in your advent calendar. What I'm going to do is, rather than doing one day each day, I'll maybe do one day and then maybe do a few days together or whatever. I'll let you know anyway, so it doesn't get really boring. So how does this open? Does it go this way? It seems a shame to spoil this picture. Oh, it lifts up there. Oh, what have we got? Oh, have we got anything else in there? No, there's nothing else. So it's craft, but this time we've got a packet of buttons. Ooh, nice buttons as well. Are they plastic or are they wooden? Let's have a look. Get my trusty trace. I think these must be to go to one of the crafts. As like everything else, they are, yes, in one of those bags, but I can't open. So, ooh. The plastic. I just had to check. Sorry, I just tried biting on the plastic. So we've got a few different colours. And we've got a hot pink. So what colours have we got? We've got 6 there. Is there any different ones? We've got orange, pink, hot pink. Oh, we haven't got a red, so there's 7 colours. Got yellow. Yeah. So lots of different things you can do with crafting with buttons. So I'm thinking that as we go along then, rather than it being a craft a day, that you open each one and then after a few days you'll get a craft. Oh, I like that idea. Oh, let's pop those back in their little bag and we'll wait for tomorrow to open the next one. See what we get then. Dear, as you can see, I'm as good as pouring buttons into bags as I am as pouring drills into bags. But there is a lot there, a real lot there. Okay, so there was 7 and there's at least 2 of each, so I think there's probably about 30 buttons there, which excellent. Okay, so that's number 1. So thank you for stopping by for today, and pop back again for the next video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so you'll be notified when the next one comes up. Bye for now. Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So it's the 2nd of December. We get to open box number 2. So yeah, this is my lovely craft advent calendar. Yesterday we got a lot of buttons, so I wonder what we'll get today. Will we get anything to put the buttons on? Or will it be something else that will go with the buttons to go on something for another day? So I've pushed number 1 back down because I think this is such a pretty picture. It seems a shame to spoil it. But yes, so let's have a look. There's number 2 over there. So let's give him a quick open. Oops. He's going to open up this way. Okay, let's just get my finger and... Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. I heard some jingling. Oh, excellent. So there's nothing else there. Now then, have you all watched Santa Express? And do you know that you can only hear a bell jingle if you still believe? So if you can hear this, you still believe. You'll know what I'm talking about. So these they are big bells, goodness me. Right, as usual, it's in one of these packets that I can't get into open. And we've got some lovely tartan ribbon as well. Shall I put these on Millie? They are big bells, my goodness me. Oh, I love the sound of bells. Now, does that remind you of Santa Claus coming through the skies? Yay! Okay, and so I think we have to make this into a bow and then tie them together with the bow on the top. Okay, Now then, there's not much ribbon there, but we'll give it a go. We'll have a look. So these don't go with the buttons, do they? These would go either on your Christmas tree, or you could use them singly, or you could use them, let me think, on the bottom of a wreath. So if we tie those together, giddy up, let's go. Now then, it's not got wire in the ribbon. Don't think we can do bunny ears because it's not really big enough. Let me see. Let's do it there. This is how I tie my ribbons. I do 2 loops like bunny ears, and then give it a go. See if we can get it to work. It might work. And then grab that there and grab that there. Okay, we're not far off. Let me get that end back. Got the end there, so we just need this end back out here. There it is. So then just let's give it a bit of tugging around and get it to work. It's quite a big piece of ribbon to be doing this with. Okay. Wants to be a bit tighter really, but if I pull it too tight then I lose my ends and I don't want to do that. It's just, that's better, that's got it a bit tighter. Okay. Yeah, I like doing my bunny ears. I like the fact as well that this ribbon is the same both sides, so you've not got a right side and a wrong side. So if you've not quite got your ribbon tied in the correct way, then you still get your effect of your pattern on both sides. Okay, so you can either do it that way or that way, and I think I like that way best. The middle bit there, just tie that around there a little bit. Okay, don't be afraid of giving your ribbons a bit of a manipulation, a bit of welly, to get them so that they look right. Okay. We've got a little bit of fraying, so let's get some scissors. I've got my nice crafting scissors out, so we'll just give that a little bit of a triangle across there. Oh, these scissors want sharpening. I've been using something other than paper for these. I think they've gone a bit blunt, so you get your nice shape at the bottom. Okay, and again just cut across there. Oh, this is blunt as I don't know what. Goodness me. Okay, so that's your nice little bow. So I'm going to be fiddling about with this for ages. And then will this go through the back possibly? Let me grab my tweezers. I don't want the overly pointed tweezers because they'll split the ribbon, but let's just use the tweezers. Grab hold of that end and see if we can just thread it through there. So we've got that on there like that. Okay, it only needs to go through one side. Okay, and we'll just give that a little bit of a knot on the back. Oops, don't tie it too tight. And we'll just do that a little bit as well. Okay, just for now while we decide, because we might put them somewhere else. Okay, and you can use your string as a piece of, as a loop or whatever. But yeah, so that was quite a nice little project. We've got a bow which I'm going to be messing about with for ages. With our little bells on. Oops. We've got our little loop there as well to hold it. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what comes up in the next one. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.